Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a look into this 2021 Imagine 22 MLE. But before we get started, a little reminder to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon, but let's get going. On the outside of this Imagine, a few things I want to point out is we have a gigantic awning. It spans almost the entire length of this travel trailer. It also has an LED light strip underneath. And we have some really awesome outdoor speakers with nice blue lighting in those as well. I really like this floor plan because there's no slides over here. You've got open area to hang out, relax, set up your camp, and it's got plenty of windows too. But let's look into the storage. And here we are in our pass-through storage. It's kind of small, but again, it's fully finished, easily cleanable, and it has not one, but two LED lights. On that side is our utility bay, battery disconnect, an outdoor shower. It's all pretty much in one space, but let's go inside this Imagine. And here we are inside, and things look a little bit cramped because we have the slide in. We just wanted to show you that you can get easily from the front door all the way to your fridge, all the way to your pantry, and even into the bathroom. But let's stick this slide back out and start from the front. And here we are in the front of the camper where our bed is located. So we have a residential size queen bed here, and it's definitely inset, surrounded by plenty of storage. We've got wardrobe options on either side as well as drawers. And if you look inside a little bit, each side has a cubby hole which has a USB charging port and a regular outlet. So if you have the CPAP machine that you have to take with you on the weekend, definitely this is going to be a good camper for you. Also, we have two reading lights here. It has a blue LED light option if you're late at night, don't want to hurt your eyes, or just the regular white light option. Storage underneath, but one thing that I really love is this curtain. You can definitely keep it closed, give you some privacy, especially if you have a guest sleeping on your other sleeping areas and want to sort of exclude yourself, or keep it open and take advantage of all of this space. So moving on to our slide. And here we are in the only slide on this Imagine, which houses your theater seating, which is super comfortable, and a little bit of our kitchen, but we'll get to that next. Sometimes I forget to mention that this theater seating is awesome. Heat, massage, has LED lights underneath, and it reclines, and it's super comfortable. Again, I'm 5'11", and this is a very comfortable seat. Moving on through our slide, we have our RV fridge. I like how they make the outside match the cabinets. Moving this way, we have our 3-burner top Furrion stove with, of course, the lit knobs are awesome. And lots of storage, lots of drawers, and even a giant pots and pan drawers. I like that they added that in, especially in such a small camper. Up here, again, more storage, and we have a high point microwave. And all of this countertop space is amazing for prepping and even having dishes out. Say you want to have a few extra people here on the weekend. There's a good amount of space for everyone in here. Moving on to our sink, it is a corner set sink. Again, the countertop space is amazing, and the storage is definitely not lacking, especially if you're looking to carry around some extra electronics. Say you want to carry a blender or anything like that, you definitely have storage space for it. We have a nice stainless steel inset sink with a removable removable faucet head, and they even added a little space here for all your sponges when you have to do dishes, because of course this camper does not have a dishwasher, but that would be awesome. And we also have a lot more deep drawers over here as well. But let's look at the dinette. Now onto our dinette, and let's not forget that this is a sleeping area if you need to use it. All you have to do is push this table down, which they've upgraded the system a little bit. I like the pedestal system, so it's just 2 levers that you release, push the table down, clip them back, and put those cushions right on top of this, and it's a pretty large sleeping area, no big deal. And also we have a nice big window here, and just for a little bit of perspective, in this living area you have access into a window on the entertainment space, on the opposite side, and to the rear of the camper, because next to your kitchen you have one extra window. Now, I forgot to mention our control panel, which is behind this cabinet, as well as our indoor-outdoor speaker system. This is all right next to our entertainment system, so we have a smart TV on a swivel here. Movie nights and anything else you want to do on the weekend is definitely possible in this Imagine. But moving on, a little extra storage right here, and it's super deep, and it's tall enough for a family-sized box of cereal or anything else you need to carry. You could use this as a pantry or even an extra linen closet, depending on how much you need to carry. More drawers below, but let's go into the bathroom. Inside of the only bathroom in this Imagine, we have a standard porcelain foot flush toilet, lots of towel storage or even extra linen storage, an extra little cabinet here for anything else you need to keep close, and a mirrored front medicine cabinet with, of course, lots more storage below. I really like how they put the sink on one side here, plenty of countertop space to get ready, a straightener, a hair blow dryer, anything else you got would definitely fit here and easily be stored underneath here. It's a really easy access, especially from the toilet, but let's look at the shower. And here we are. Again, I'm 5'11" and I definitely fit. It's a little bit snug, but it's not uncomfortable, especially for a weekend on the road. It's a lot better than some other things. A squeegee door. It squeegees all the water off, so don't worry about mildew, and a removable shower head that matches that sink. I really like that it matches all of the other faucets. So what do you think about this Imagine? Can you imagine your partner and you out on a weekend trip? Then give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.